Okay, so if you are in Kenya and you are about to run an installation widget, DSTV installation widget on any Explora decoder, you move ahead with English, your language. You come here on the satellite page. You need to choose E36B. Maybe it will be different satellites, so you need to change it to E36B and then you move ahead. Okay, so E36B, press OK. On the next page, you choose manual setup, come down to manual setup and then you press OK. So when you come here, the LMB type have to be the unique cable TM /SAT-CR. You don't need to change it. You need to choose the unique cable TM /SAT-CR. And all the user band frequencies have to be the same. You don't need to change everything. Over here, you come down to scan option. And if you are having enough signal, everything is working. Your signal status at the right side of the page needs to fill up. If there is no indication over there, you need to check your coax cable at the back of your decoder to make sure that it has been well fixed. Okay, so you move ahead to scan. You press OK on the scan option and then you scan.